Hi, it's Nicholas. Today I want to talk about a topic this marketing ideas. How you can build your email list. When you want to build your email list, the simple way is to give away something very for free in order to build your email list. Most of the common form you give away is free report, free PDF report, ebook, and some of you may be giving away checklist. If you have a order and very much more valuable, you can give away some training course. But this also have some. But today I want to talk about something very unique that you can give away is a cheat sheet. What is exactly about the cheat sheet? I also have take a look for research on Wikipedia. What is the cheat sheet? Cheat sheet is also the cheat sheet. Also is a condensed sense of notes used for quick reference. Cheat sheets are so named because they may be used by students without the instruction and knowledge to cheat on tests. And cheat sheet is a physical piece of paper, often filled on equation and on the fact on in compressed writing. Students often print cheat sheet in extremely small form, fitting an entire page of notes in the palm of their hands during the exam. So is it also the cheat sheet as just on a sheet? This also have a very condensed image on the sheet on this sheet. Let's take a look at what is the. I also like to come to the cheat sheet for the graphic and also have a tons of the cheat sheet example. And for example, I also tap into this cheat sheet for example for the reference, and you can see the cheat sheet, and you will have a different and they also have a different link. You can tap into that and redirecting to different URL, something that you also have a different website. And if you are happy in affiliate marketing, you can redirect them to different platform about the affiliate marketing. But the cheat sheet is also a very and not easy for you to create if you have no idea how can I create a cheat sheet. I'm not a software creator. How can I create this cheat sheet? Then after a search and also I come to this product. It's also not easy for you to find a software that you can easily create a cheat sheet. Until I find this is also Cheatsheet Generator. Is the Cheatsheet Generator is finally available as an online software for Windows and Mac, and you can enjoy creating unlimited products and start selling them for profit in just 180 seconds. A simple cheat sheet created in 30 seconds give us, this is also the creator, one of the creator, give us 215 fresh list. Also you can build your fresh email list over 250 seconds over 215 very fresh customer many times per day and with no traffic. What is the benefit when you click this one? You will generate an unlimited quantity of lists and sales, creating easy cheat sheets to give away. Thanks to our new 100% non-online software for PC and Mac. Is a short document to inform people specific subject, news, trends, ideas, niches. The software is 100% newbie friendly and available for PC, Mac, and cell phones. It takes only 2 to 3 minutes to create a cheat sheet from zero. Cheat sheets are incredible tools to generate leads and sell unlimited market. Think about how many different niches you can target inside a cheat sheet. And also this also not on the sales page, you can go there for the seller, and also they will put it the link in the description. Simply click the link below in the description. They will come to this point, this sales page to see how this cheat sheet generator can do it for you. And you can check the result we generated in the past a couple months. Just launched passively on WordPress without traffic, emails on whatsoever. Also there are some of the and profit how many profit they have and how many opt-in they generate opt-in and also they create sales 100 how many sales they are also creators And also you can see not only the good for building a list, but also to start monetizing a funnel with upsell. And this is also an example. As for example, now imagine for a moment how much time and stress you need to create a new report and product for building your list. If you use a PLR, you are lose even before you get started because people know the quality is miles away from a brand new product done with effort. But with the cheat sheet, you start getting the immediate curiosity of customer that would want to see what a cheat sheet is, and secondly, they will keep it on their desktop because it's auto updating. This is also a very important because when you graduate this cheat sheet, they will update, they will auto updating. They will not outdate the outdate info on the cheat sheet because they will auto updating. Because and also other than that, the cheat sheet is easier for you for your customer and or your email list to easier to the digestion. Exit you build is in fact evergreen or auto updated, so anytime they click any news website button, they will get up to date the news. Let's take a look at what is cheat sheet is. Info about your cheat sheet. You will get affiliate marketing as for example affiliate marketing and all the info about affiliate marketing and cheat sheet. You can state about what about inside in your cheat sheet. And also tap into the different section. 10 the news and social media platform. Latest paper, for example, if you tap into the affiliate marketing, latest affiliate marketing news on you can tap into the interesting info and 8 top selling products site, and you can tap into the top selling order affiliate marketing. It also included physical and digital product. Digital product included click banner and click banner. JB Sooner, Kickshare, Udemy is also a platform you can sell and the e-course for physical product or e-commerce. You can tap into the Amazon, Amazon.com, eBay, AliExpress, and also other platform you can tap into. That is also included physical and digital. More resources for affiliate marketing. You will have 15 interesting resources, and you can include Wikipedia, Yahoo Answer, Quora, WikiHow, Google Groups, Google Groups, About.com, and eCenter article for dummies, text and Pixabay, Fixbit, Google Image, Yahoo Image. There's also automated updating to show the latest news every time they are clicked. This is the power of cheat sheet that made them more attractive than any other format for building a list. But it is also a incredible tool for build a list and also to have a find a better one because this is also a software you can have for your Mac and desktop for Mac and Windows. You can use it for your desktop user. But what is the step that you can create it? Our online or every device computer to Mac from cell phones to tablet is able to create cheat sheet in less than 30 seconds just for 3 steps. Go to the link we provided to access the online stuff with a PC or Mac or cell phone on tablet to enter your niche or personal name and or your company name. Download your cheat sheet, edit it or make a new one. This can see the question 1, enter your niche and also the weight loss and something like that. And also you can enter your business and just enter your name or the business name, and then you can download or edit and or start over to create a new one. That's simple, just for 60 seconds. This is also very easy for you to use. And the most important thing that's how much does it will cost you, and also file and other information about their software. So lastly, I think the most important thing is what is the price and upsell as well. The front end is and you can tap into that. The front end is the classic software without limitation that give to your customer the chance to create cheat sheet, inserting just a keyword and their name. Is also available online. The biggest news ever for this launcher. It's also a sale for $70 with $70, but the price will start to go up in themselves and I'm not sure that because it's after the launch price, and you can check and also included the sales page in the description below, and you can check and you can and if you are interested in this product and how to create this software to create a cheat sheet, simply click the link below in the description. The first thing they will come to this sales page, and you can go for it to see how much money how much they after launch, because I have no idea what is the price and after launch. And the OTO one that they all have the free OTO. OTO one is the white label version of the software that could easily install on a URL by the customer or resolve is sell for $27. OTO 2 is the deluxe version, and you can deluxe Cheatsheet Generator as sell as a service. That is not mean SaaS sell as a service. You can sell it for other people, and also you make money as a side hustle, and provide more options to the customer, and can enter links manually to turn the cheat sheet into something unique, and also good for auto promotion. It sells for $37. The OTO fee is the deluxe version available with white label to give your customer more chance to make money with it by reselling the app to final user, and it sell for and also it sell for $47, and you can grab into the OTO one $27, OTO two $37, and the final and the final is $47. If this and grab into after if you I'm not exactly what is the front end price. If you are interested, you can check out their price, and maybe this is also not too much. It is also I think this is also $70 or maybe $20 up to this moment. And if you are interested, you can see. And OTO one, OTO two, or OTO is also optional. But if you want to use this and use it and sell it as SaaS, sell as a service, you can manually to turn it automation. You can $37. If you want to have a white label that you can resell this app to your customer end user, that is also a customer, you can use it for $47 because this is as your own web app, and also you can resell this to your end user, that is your customer, just for one time the payment $47. But it's also all the upsell is optional, but you can interested to giving away something very unique other than a free report, PDF, cheat sheet, and also the and you can provide them with a cheat sheet because everything is auto updating with the new update information. So if you are interested in it, you can grab it. But in this video, I just want to give you more idea what you can give away for free for your customer, and cheat sheet is much more easier for you to generate, and also this is also more valuable because your customer can easily to tap into any click, and they will get the up-to-date information about and from different niches. You can tap into that, and other than that, you can build your brand because you just put your name and your address. It will instantly to download your cheat sheet just for 30 seconds. So if you're interested in this cheat sheet generator, you can purchase this. Simply click the link below in the description. The first thing they will come to the sales page. So this is the end of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Other than that, I also have other playlists, and including product review, marketing tips, marketing ideas, and multiple stream of income, make money online tips, and also don't forget to check out my description below. Check my description below because I also have some freebie you can grab, and including free training course, and additional free training, and also I have a hand picked up a free and free additional training webinar you can register you will let you like to make more money and also to take your online business to the next level and also you can download and free report instantly download my free report so don't forget to check out my description below to grab your freebie and also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.